I came to Gedu College, I think people didn't do much hiking here at the college. So the first few months I was at the college, I tried to get people out. And I had a few faculty members who joined me, and we had a lot of fun. But the students were not interested. So then I approached director and said, can we form a hiking club? And I started to invite my students from third semester, and we had a lot of fun. We went hiking, had picnics, and then everybody wanted to come soon after that. So we had several hundred students going on hikes, and we enjoyed the fresh air, the nice places, and the photography. And then we danced and sang and had a great time. So I think now this year everybody will start to get involved, and it will be a good activity for all of us to improve our health and enjoy outdoors, not just the studies, improve your health too.
When you're in a hiking club, yeah,
Yes.
you can meet nature. Yeah, you can see beautiful sceneries. You can get close to nature, and you can enjoy each other's company. And you can have fun, get to know each other, meet nice people. Yeah, and hiking is always all about adventure.